Now we're going to photograph the cups. I take all of my own photos, but I'm definitely not an expert. I have these collapsible photo tents that help soften the lighting and shadows on everything I photograph, and they just help make images look great. The cups are fairly small, so I'm setting up a smaller tent. For the background, I'm using white poster paper. For lighting, I set up a white light right above the tent, and this will be the only source of light I'll be using. Everything else will be turned off. Here, my camera's all set up, and I'm ready to take some photos. After I'm done, I always review the images to make sure I got all the angles I need. Here are some examples of the photos that I took. Now I'm ready to go ahead and submit them into the NCECA Virtual Cup Exhibition and sale. Okay, now we're here at NCECA's main page. Let's toggle through the events and find the cup sale. And then we're going to click to learn more. Okay, we're going to scroll down a little bit. And we're going to click on Submit Cup or Mug Donation. And that's going to take us to this user portal here with all the guidelines and everything you need to know about submissions. Okay, so now we're going to click Enter Now on the top right, and that's going to take you to this login page here. Once I'm logged in, I'm going to fill out some general information about myself and also the cup that I'm donating. And this is also where I'm going to upload images of the cup. Okay, a few more questions down here, and then we're going to agree to the terms and conditions of the sale, and we're going to click Next. Now you'll get a chance to review everything that you entered. Let's see, everything looks good. So I'm going to click Submit on the bottom right. Okay, give it a few seconds to load. And that's it. I want to thank everyone for watching these videos. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys got a chance to make and submit your own cups, and I can't wait to see all the donated cups starting August 26th. You'll have a chance to browse everything before the sale officially goes live September 2nd. Thanks again, everyone.